How to expand three or more expressions inside brackets multiplied together. Even when there are more than two brackets involved, the approach does not change, the solution simply involves more steps. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. It is clear that not all these letters represent different variables. Some of them may represent just numbers or terms containing a single variable, as in the following example. This helps us obtain a shorter algebraic expression to that shown previously. Example. Expand and then simplify the following algebraic expression. We have the following shown on screen. Solution. Applying the rule of three brackets expansion, we have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 6.2.6. To continue this tutorial, please watch 6.2.7, Expanding Brackets Summary. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.